Hello, welcome to my video. Today we're going to talk about the Aurora Sky facility. Before I show the updated recording footage, I would like to give an update on the channel. I plan to take a break from YouTube, sit down and study a YouTube mastery course I bought for $600 USD. I plan to give a review on the YouTube mastery course. So far I'm impressed in that there's a lot of content in the course as they are all videos. I don't really like reading and would prefer to watch instead. I can also tell the creator put a lot of work into the course. Now some of you might be thinking that I've been ripped off and can find all the information for free. I could find all this information for free, but it would take me weeks, if not months of research and a lot of trial and error. By purchasing this course, I can greatly reduce the amount of time it is going to take for me to get back to making smarter, interesting, and more innovative content, as well as diversify my knowledge of making more income. Now on to the main subject, the Aurora Sky facility. This time I shot the video in daylight, so you don't have to worry about the quality of the video. I will also describe what differences between the February 19th, 2017 recording of Aurora Sky until now. This is only 7 weeks apart, but I can tell the facility is coming along nicely. I can tell that they are aggressively working on the second half of the facility. From what I see, they are installing the glass roof and it looks to be almost complete. I hope the next time I visit, all the walls are installed and the facility will look more complete. A delay in legalization would actually benefit Aurora, give them more time to complete the facility and grow more cannabis before legalization starts. This image you're seeing right now is taken from the Aurora investor page. Once the facility is complete, I will do a live stream from my phone to YouTube standing in front of the facility of Aurora Sky. For anyone that doesn't know, Aurora Sky, when completed, will be 800,000 square feet. That is roughly the equivalent of 14 football fields. Wiki states that a football field is the equivalent of 57,600 square feet. This hybrid greenhouse was built just for mass cultivation of ultra low cost, high quality cannabis. It has also very advanced technologies. The facility located on the property of Edmonton International Airport receives ample low-cost power, water and gas, excellent security, unrivaled access to transportation, immediate access to international customs, as well as air and ground domestic and international courier services. Aurora Sky is considered the most advanced cannabis facility in the world and most advanced greenhouse of any kind. They took 1 year research to design and believe that their design will be the standard in the cannabis industry. Aurora Sky is designed to operate with unprecedented automation, having no human interaction. On January 29, 2018, Aurora received their cultivation license. It takes about 3 to 5 months to grow and harvest a plant, and my guess is that the facility preparation time took about a month and that the plants have been growing for about a month already. What you're seeing in this image is about 250,000 square feet of growing space. My guess is that this year will only yield 20,000 kilograms because the facility is not fully operational. By my estimates, I think the first harvest will yield only about 5,000 kilograms. I think that legalization getting delayed would be a blessing for Aurora because at the rate they are going, I don't think they will have enough cannabis to supply the recreational market. I think November would be the perfect time for Aurora. Once the facility is 100% operational, which I predict to be around November 2018, the facility will probably be producing around 8,300 kilograms per month just from the Aurora Sky facility, and this will be extremely low-cost cannabis production. I have no doubt in my mind that Aurora is a very safe investment and one day may take Canopy's top spot as the #1 producer in Canada. I don't know how long of a break I will take, but next time you see one of my videos, I promise to have something really interesting. Hopefully I will have a series of good content. Please share this video with other people. I'm hoping to bring more awareness to show people that Aurora is a good investment. I didn't make this video in hopes that this video can somehow pump the stock. I'm actually hoping Aurora drops to $5, and at that point I will buy more shares no matter what. Thanks for watching. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for future updates and have a great day. I hope you enjoy the footage we took of the Aurora Sky facility.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.